Hello guys, it's Miss Crystal from Sunshine Academy. Today we are going to make some salt dough. This activity will be great for math, for science, for fine motor, so many fun things. So what you'll need today is a bag of flour, some salt, a mixing bowl, either measuring cup or measuring spoons, and all you'll need is, and a stirring spoon. All you'll need is 2 cups of all-purpose flour. You can use gluten-free if your child has a gluten allergy or intolerance. 1 cup of salt and 1 cup of warm water. Warm water seems to work a lot better than the cold water. So I put them all inside, mixed it up. Less than 3 minutes later, I got this. My very own homemade Play-Doh. Now what you can do with this afterwards is separate it into different pieces and add some food coloring. So you have red Play-Doh, you have green Play-Doh, you have yellow, you have blue. You can do that so that you have your very own Play-Dohs. Another thing you can do is make fun little sculptures, maybe for Mother's Day, maybe ring holders or keychains. And if you let this outside to dry for a couple days, it dries to be rock hard. So they're perfect for little gifts. If you want to keep using it as clay, just keep it covered. And you can keep it refrigerated if you want it to last longer. And then when you just want to use it again, add a little bit of water and just manipulate it so it gets soft again. It lasts a good amount of time. Another thing you can do for my younger ones is place things inside. Beads or small little animals or dinosaurs, and you can make like dinosaur eggs, and they can just search through and use those fine motor skills to look for them and take them out. Beads would work great. You can also have them just manipulate it and flatten it down, have them use tools like this, pretend they're making pizza. So the math comes in because they're measuring the cups of flour and the cups of salt, so that's great for mathematical skills. It's science because they can see the way the consistencies change from powder and liquid into a solid. And then they can see how it dries out and becomes a solid even more. There's so many different things that you can do with this Play-Doh, and it's fun, it's super easy, and you have these things in your house anyways. So if you don't have Play-Doh and don't want to go outside to go buy some, this is the perfect alternative. It's so much fun. You can also bake this dough if you wanted to dry out a little bit faster. There's so many things. So guys, please, if you like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, Sunshine State Academy. You can go on our Facebook and our Instagram. We'd love to see all the kids do the activities. So please tag us, Sunshine State Academy. We had so much fun. We miss you guys so much. I'll see you soon. Bye.